Hello everyone and welcome back to my channels. Today I am inviting you to spend a full day with me. This is more than just a day routine. It's a Sunday routines. It's a story about discipline, emotions and building a meaningful careers on one day at a times and Sunday enjoy with you. Today in this video I can provide a video in Sunday routine as a young lawyer, Sunday routine as a YouTuber, vloggers, whereas we are a student, a young professionals are enterprising on someone's chasing our dreams. I hope today's journey inspires you. Let's start now. I believe that how we start our mornings often determine how productive the rest of the day will be. Instead of rushing through life, I try to stay focused on my goals, measuring my times vastly and continue learning something new every single day. Success is not created overnight, it is built through small, consistent actions respected over months and years. Now we are on the road driving through the beautiful city of Chiniot, Pakistan. Every street has its own story. Every person we pass in working towards their own dreams. Driving through the city reminds me that opportunities does not always appears by themselves. We create them through hard work, patience and determination. Sometimes the best ideas come while you are similarly observe the world around you. As a legal profession, every day brings new responsibilities and new challenges. My work requires carefully thinking, problem solving, and attaching to details. Law is not only about legal documents, it's about helping people, protecting rights, and making responsible decisions. Those same skills are valuable in business, interpretationship, and everyday life. Continual learning is one of the greatest investment anyone can make. Also, alongside my professions careers, I am also building my patience here on YouTube. Create videos has target me creativity, communications, patience and consistency. Every video is an opportunity. Every video is an opportunity to improve. Every subscribers is representative trust. Every comments motivate me to continue creating better contents. This journey is not about becoming successful overnight. It is about building something valuable for the futures. So, and that one lessons have learned is that discipline will always outperforms motivations. Motivations comes and goes, discipline stay. Your future depend on the decisions you make today, not some days. No matter where you come from, your background does not define your decisions. Your hands up, your habit too, your mindset does. Your weakness to keep moving forwards does. And to see a beautiful and my favorite Honda Civic, and to see two Honda Civic in one video, in one pictures. This is my favorite and my dream car. In our childhood time, that car I am very impressed and I like it. So in futures, in my mind, I hope I can buy it and I drive it. And our life, I have only one time I am drive this car. This is very beautiful my favorite car, my dream car. I am mindset in my futures. Inshallah, I am purchasing and I have drive this car. To please pray for Allah for these cars. Inshallah, this is looking good. This AC is very good. This picking performance is good. Just they have fuel average is not a good, but no matters. This is looking, this drive, everything like a hero. I am very impressed in this car. So to see and enjoy in our daily routine, in our Sunday routine, in our Sunday workings, to share a vlog, a full vlog of a Sunday. This is very beautiful car to discuss in this video. So further that I am provide a beautiful lesson through in this video. I am discuss 6 to 7 point for our daily life or message of my experience, my life productivity. First productivity discuss. Productive is not about being busy all days. It's about focusing on the task that trust matters. Every small improvement today creates a better towards business mindset. One of the most valuable investment anyone can make is investing in knowledge, skills, educations and experience. Education experience offers provides better long-term returns than short-term distractions. Financial growth. Financially freedoms does not happen by change. It comes from small decisions, continuously learnings and buildings multiply source of income over time. Interpretation interpretanship. Every successful entrepreneurship started with a simple ideas. The difference is that they took actions while others keep waiting for the perfect movement. Career development. Your career is one of your greatest assets. Every new skills you learn increase your values and opens new opportunities in this future. Success mindset. Success is not about luck, it's about consistency, discipline, and showing up every single day, every when no one is watching. So the main topics, main things in my mind and in my observation. I will say that this is my observation and my researchings, and I study in these topics for more successful persons in our life, in our business life. He will says that the main thing to do work, success and mindset. Success is not about luck, it is consistency, discipline and showing up every day, every even when no one is watching. The main same words and say the main thing, the same point of view. He says the success, the key of success is that thing to do work it, to do work in every day, to do work in every day, every time. When that time you cannot success, you do the work. So and the other thing and the others thing I will discuss technology or AI. Technology and artificial intelligence are challenges the way we work. Learning new digital skills today can create exciting opportunities tomorrow. In our point of view, we can see the AI has changed the mindset. The mobile phone or internet has changed the mindset and change the lifestyles of every person, of every mindset, every business fields. In the old sense and the past, I can see we observed that mobiles, internet, computer is not enters in our daily life. But that time, the mobile phone, internet is most important thing in our daily life, or in our in business, e-commerce, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and many other sources. Mostly people can use and earn a large of money. Mostly people to earn money in through web developments or others. Most important tools, most important methods, e-commerce, many people to buy things on online shoppings, online stores. E-commerce has changed the mindset, changed the business mindset of every people. So let's, in our daily routine, in our daily life, many times to join a cricket ground in Chiniot, Islamia Government Islamia Graduate College, Chiniot. So in this ground, the natural view, I am spend daily 1 hours or 30 minutes in this grounds, and to see nature, to see enjoy the natures. It is a very beautiful scenes. So in this videos are successful topics, so productivity, business interpretation, finance, investing, personal development, career growth, digital skills, artificial intelligence. So after that, after everything, I will discuss on natural view, natural thing, to spend a time for human, for peace. So good thing, everyone. So enjoy in this video and enjoy natural view. As we continue this journey, take a movement to approach the beauty around us. Nature has a unique ways of showing us down and reminding us that life is not always about rushing from one place and others. The open roads, the fresh airs, the green fields, and the peaceful surrounding create a feelings that is difficult to describe. Sometimes the best movement are the simplest ones. In our busy lives, we often forget to pace and enjoy that is already around us. A short drives through nature can refresh the mind, reduce stress, and inspiring new ideas. No matter where else you live, try to spend a little time outdoors, watch the sunrise, enjoy the sunset, listen to the birds, and appreciate the nature that exciting in every day. Every journey has a destination, but is not the movement along the way that because our best movement. So keep exploring, keep learning, and new stop approaching the world around you, and see the sunset. After sunset, the most beautiful view and most mind fresh views in these videos, and enjoy it. So in the end of our video, thanks to watch this video, and thanks us to provide a big time to you. And I am discuss many topics, many things in this video. I just approach every single view who support this journey. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes in hard work and personal growth. Leave a comments below and lets me know where you are watching them. Until next time, stay positive, stay productively, and keep working towards your dream. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And in this video, I will provide most beautiful street of my city, Chiniot. In these videos, I are to see a Sunday routine, a daily routine of a young liars of a youth. Thank you so much to watching this video. Pakistan Zindabad.